Hey, what's up everybody? Frater Crow from Celestial Oddities, Knights of the Nephilim, and Uncovering the Underground radio shows. I am also a tribunal minister for the International Church of Lucifer. I have this YouTube channel to talk about different topics of the esoteric, mysticism, occultism, and paranormal. We'll also be doing unboxings and reviews on products, and today is certainly one of those unboxings. So my show Knights of the Nephilim has several different sponsors who are a part of the show, who we talk about nightly on the show when we do air, and recently they have decided that they would like to send products to me to look at, to review, to unbox, get my initial thoughts on, to try their products, and then a few months from now I'll do a recap video discussing my experiences with the products, what I felt about them, and their efficiency. So tonight we have Belladonna's Botanicals, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about her company. This is Jennifer Vatsa. We're going to speak about her company and what it is that she's accomplished with her company, and then we'll go ahead and unpackage this package behind us. I don't know what is in there, so it'll be exciting to get to find out what exactly she had sent. So let's go ahead and take a look at the definition of what you would hear also on the show whenever you're listening to it live. Belladonna's Botanicals is owned by Jennifer Vatsa, a left-hand path and poison path witch, certified aromatherapist, herbalist, perfumer, skincare formulator, and incense crafter who designs and created a massive product line consisting of over 300 products, with new ones being released every month. Belladonna's Botanicals provides high-quality handcrafted metaphysical and self-care products including flying ointments and oils, herbal tinctures and elixirs, herbal smoke blends, ritual oils, powders, incense, radionics charged crystals, ritual bath products, fragrances, and bath and body products. Quite a line, and I can tell you folks, if you look on her website, it is a very, very extensive line. It's very impressive. It'd be a lot to keep up with, so kudos to her. Jennifer draws inspiration from the spirits she works with, and they often have requests. Anecdotally, adding that as she was creating her product lines for the Dark Goddess and Demonic Gatekeepers, that King Paimon showed up requesting his own product line as well. She often directly channels what they would like to be included in their products in addition to her own ritual workings along with known correspondences. She also has a popular left-hand path-oriented YouTube channel where she posts content on everything from podcasts with other occultists, her gnosis from working with different spirits, and various topics pertaining to her craft and creations. I'm going to go ahead and let you know where you can check out her shop, where you can check out her information and her, her videos. And the first website I'm going to give you is www.belladonnasbotanicals.com. Again, that is www.belladonnasbotanicals.com. And her YouTube channel is youtube.com. Well, actually, I'm just going to give it to you this way. Search Jennifer Vatsa. Jennifer spelled traditionally, Vatsa, V-A-T-Z as in zebra, A. You can check her out. She does have a lot of different fun videos, a lot of entertaining and informative videos, and then obviously her website, a very extensive product line. We do want to thank Jennifer for obviously everything she has done for Knights of the Nephilim and for myself. I really look forward to opening this package. So we're going to grab it here. As you can see, it is still sealed. I have no idea what's in here, but I'm very excited to find out. We'll go ahead and cut this bad boy open, being careful not to damage the products inside. Alright. Now folks, if you are new to Knights of the Nephilim, we air every other Thursday night, 8 to 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, interviewing and talking with some of the biggest and best names in the occult of all backgrounds and paradigms, though we do, mostly stick to the left-hand path. We do certainly bring everyone on the show. It's a talk show segment as well as an interview, so we find out who these practitioners, ritual tool makers, and theologians are, and we find out more about their thoughts on specific topics and subjects. So opening the package, I see well wrapped in bubble wrap, and then inside there's a very nice box with her emblem on it. Very beautiful. We have what I believe here would be the invoice, though I'm not going to look at that. And some instructions, which is very important on some of these products. I don't want to read that because I don't want to know what I got yet. So let's go ahead and open it. As you see, we'll open the box up here. Very prettily wrapped. We got a few different things, so I'm going to stick them out here. Oh, all right. Nice little selection going on here. Oh wow, she went in. Okay, so as you see, she has a package with the frillies that are always nice. They add a festive look to it and also keep the product safe. We have what looks to be, at least off the bat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. So very exciting. We will start. I'm going to start with the wrapped ones, and then we'll get into the boxes. Alright, so first one we got on deck here is Shemyaza Ritual Oil, which is very exciting. It's actually something I'd seen on her site and read about, so that's pretty funny. The Shemyaza Ritual Oil is very powerful for different rituals with, you know, the Grigori Angels, which is ironic that that would be the first one I open up. Folks, Knights of the Nephilim or Nephilim. Nephilim are the giants that were created when the Grigori Angels, the Watchers, had come down to earth and slept with the daughters of man, creating a race of hybrid giants, half angelic, half human. The leader of the Watchers, the Grigori Angels, was Shemyaza. So really funny that that would be the case in connection with the sponsorship of the show. That is awesome. Jen, I'm very excited for that. I can't wait to dive into that. We'll open the second one here. And from what I read on there, that's a very powerful oil that she makes. She makes a lot of different oils, but it did mention that that one was a very, very strong and powerful one. All right. Beelzebub ritual oil as well, which you can't see, but over here I have my altar to Beelzebul or Beelzebub for divination and scrying and for other darker matters and works that I do. I have an entire altar right here. I have my Lucifer / Kate altar here, Belial altar behind you, Leviathan's altar over here, and then Samael Satanas' altar behind me. So, you know, that's actually going to be perfect for some of the workings I do as well. So thank you once again. We're going to actually jump into this one. This one's flat, so it doesn't seem like it's an oil. Oh, all right. We have Ave Satanas Loose Incense. And that is awesome. You see behind me over here, we do have a sensor for burning loose incense or for burning resin incense. That'll be perfect for this. That's something else I had seen on her website that I was very interested in, and that's awesome that she sent that because I would love to smell. I can get a slight hint of it through the bag, but when I open it, obviously it'll be much stronger. I want to keep it fresh for now. I want to use it freshly in ritual, so I don't want to open that, but you do certainly get a nice smell from that. Now, I didn't get a chance to show the camera, but here are the other two oils that she had sent, the Beelzebub oil and the Shemyaza oil. And now we got, let's see, what do we got here? Oh, so I am a firm lover and follower of crystals and gemstones. It's something that I think was present in me before I even realized I was going to get into ritual and spirituality and witchcraft. As a kid, I loved gemstones. I was, 5, 6 years old collecting gemstones. I was the only kid I knew that did. This right here she sent is awesome. This is radionically charged peacock ore for working with Beelzebub. So that's going to go on my altar specifically, and that'll never leave. I'll keep that on my altar at all times. It is a beautiful stone. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can catch the colors of that, but it is phenomenal. It has multicolor on there, as it says peacock ore. That is beautiful. Wow, thank you so much. Folks, her products are wonderful. I mean, and whenever I read in the definition there that she has over 300 products, she's not joking when she says that. It's vast. When I went on there at one point in time and was looking through her products, that was one of the first things I noticed, was just the fact that, wow, it just keeps going and going. She has anything you would need in the sense of oils, in the sense of skincare, in the sense of flying ointments, in the sense of powders and other materials used in ritual workings and in witchcraft. It's impressive. I don't know how she keeps up with it. My mind would be spinning. Oh, she's going in on the Beelzebub. She must know my passion for working with him. This is Beelzebub flying ointment. Very exciting. If you don't know what flying ointment is, look into it. It is an enhancer to use during ritual to be able to help your mind tap into those zones of trance, that hypnagogic state that we want to get in when we're looking at doing scrying, when we're looking to charge sigils, when we're looking to have invocation, or I should say evocation of spirits, and have them in front of us and see them easier, or even feel their presence. Flying ointments can help get you there. Now, not only does this all come in beautiful packaging, the actual containers are beautiful as well. I mean, this is a tin of the flying ointment, and it has her logo, has what it is made out of, the products on it. I mean, this is official. This is not a fly-by-night operation. These are well put together. Very, very impressive. Okay, and as you see, it's like a balm almost that you would rub. And often, I'll read her instructions. I don't want to speak exactly, with her specific products, but oftentimes you would rub a little bit of that on your temples, on your third eye chakra. You would sometimes rub it on your wrist. You don't want to do too much. You want to go very small at first. That is why she also does give a little scooper here, I see, which is awesome. You can scoop just enough to use for what you need. Apply it, give it a little bit of time to see how it settles in. Focus on your ritual, and as you're going through, if you want to apply a little more, you can. That was weird. My camera shut off with full battery and full memory. As I was saying, anybody that knows me knows that Satan, to me, is Samael. He is the creator of this reality. He is the demiurge. He is the creator of the tree in the garden, also the one who rode the serpent and convinced Adam and Eve to take a bite of the apple to free themselves from spiritual slavery. I work heavily with Samael. This is an altar for him. As you see, I do have Baphomet on there, but I do have the original pentagram. And I devote a lot of workings through this altar specifically for Samael. So this is, again, a flying ointment. Beautiful, labeling on there. Different than the other labeling. I mean, it's not like we're following a uniform label here. They're each individually labeled with their own labels. I mean, absolutely gorgeous, Jen. Thank you so much. I suggest everyone going out there and purchasing something from her shop. Support a great witch doing a great job in everything that she's doing. I will be doing a recap video, as I said, to talk, about my experiences with these products and what I think of them. But I can tell you already, from the time that she spent on the packaging, the wrapping, the formation and making of these things, I know that they're going to be absolutely phenomenal, strong, and potent in the workings that I do, and any of the workings that you do as well. So let me go ahead and pull up her links one more time, and I'm going to just wrap this up real quick. And like I said, make sure you check out the show. Make sure you check out her shop and pick something up today. That'd be great. She would love it, and I certainly would love it as well. Those links are belladonnasbotanicals.com. Again, that's belladonnasbotanicals.com. And her YouTube, just search Jennifer Vatza, V-A-T-Z-A. And thank you again, Jen, for everything you do. And we'll certainly be getting back to you on what I think of everything. Have a good night, guys. Take care.